Good morning, good morning. It's 6/12, 2019. Met my second target. I'm at 1.04 gains as of right now. Just following the trend line. As you can see, it's ever trending higher. This is Bitcoin, BTC USDT. Right now, so I was able to get my sale in. I ended up purchasing right around 700, and then I sold at 7999 again, and I was able to profit from that. So again, the 7700 from the video from previous was already met. It was met here. It's a great thing. So I was able to put my purchase in. So from here to here, I made about 300 and something dollars from here to here. Okay, so now the next thing is to let's figure out where the next point BTC USDT. It looks like it's going up now, but just because it goes up doesn't mean it won't come down. I mean, as you can see, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then eventually once it gets around 8,000, there's going to be some sell-off going on. This is a Binance. If you don't have a Binance account, my link will be in the description. Go ahead and sign up for a Binance account. If you like these forecasts that I'm giving, again, these are my opinions and my opinions only. There's no guarantee you're going to make any money at all, and you could lose all your money. But I have to say that. Okay, so keep that in mind. So far, so good. So I put my bid order at 79.20, which is right, since it's trending up. It's trending up. So this is why I want to move my bid order up. Now, I don't see it going as far down as 7,700. It may go right around 7,900, but I'm going, just to be on the safe side, I'm going to 79.20. Which is right at the previous low candles, which are on here, because to see it's pumping up. Once it gets around 8,000, we may see a big red candle occur. And let me see if there's going to be one at 8,000. Most likely there is. Not too big of a one. I mean, this is only 25 Bitcoins. That'll bring it down. That'll bring it down right around this much red, I'm guessing. So that's why I put my bid order 79.20. But then there's people that just jump in once it goes over 8,000 and they just hit sell because they already bought over here, you know, and they may have, you gotta understand, we're only trading one Bitcoin. Now there's people that have 50 Bitcoins. Okay, so you take the 50 Bitcoins, let's take the 7,700 target that I did yesterday. And then again, we want to minus that by 7,999 because that's where the sale is. That's $299 profit, right? From one Bitcoin. Now, 299, if you have 50 Bitcoin times 299, that's a $15,000 gain. You see, this is why when someone has a lot of Bitcoin, they don't mind these small little trades in and out because eventually it's going to turn out to us. So if you had 50 Bitcoins and you just listened to my video, you purchased at 7,700, you have 50 Bitcoins, and you sold it at 7,999, you would have made $15,000 in one day. That's a lot of money, ladies and gentlemen. So this is why, you know, you don't just shoot for the moon. You know, even though I still have a long-term target, 85, I have a long-term target of past 20,000 again, eventually. I don't know when that's ever going to happen. But if you just want to hold on, buy a Bitcoin, but if you want to make money daily, this is daily trading videos. I'm not doing this for long-term holding. I'm doing this so people, average Joe Schmo, is on their phone, maybe at work, and they just want to make $50, you know, $100, $300 a day, or even a week, depending. This is the video for you, okay? So that being said, people usually get amped up. Oh my God, it's two green candles, but this is an upside-down hammer. It's a bearish signal. Then you see a pump here. Now it's 50-50. Looks like it's going to be another bearish hammer going to happen. Yeah, it was up here, but look at it. It's starting to shrink. What do I think is going to happen? I think it's going to eventually show enough support to hit 8,000, maybe beyond, like it's done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different times, 6 different times. It'll do it again, okay? And then you're going to see, I would wait for the big red dip. Wait for the red dip. Listen, even if it doesn't dip, let's say it moons. Let's say it moons. It don't, listen, it's eventually going to drop. Okay? Nothing can stay going straight forever up. So your goal is to look for the drop. So this is going to hit 8K. It'll break over 8K, I think, one more time. Give me 1 second. All right. Sorry about that. I had a call I had to take. But as you can see, it'll break 8,000 again, most likely sometime today. Like it has the last few days. This is the hourly chart, remember. So between here and here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So this is 1 day. From here to here is 1 day. Okay, so keep that in mind. It's going to break, obviously, over the 8,000 again. It's been testing and retesting. Eventually, it's going to surpass the 8,000. And then we're going to have to start working up here in this area, which is not a bad thing. It's a great thing because, as you can see, it's trending upwards. Okay, as you can see this line, you follow this line. It hasn't broken down below that line. What does that mean? This coin is trending. Bitcoin is trending. It is going up, and it's going up slowly, but it's going up great. I mean, at a great speed. You don't want it to shoot up too high, too fast, because then it's going to come crashing down as fast as it's going up. So again, 79.20 is my gold target now. As you can see, I put my bid. I'm going to wait for it to. It may go lower than that. It may go lower than that. It may even go as far down as where this red candle was, which is around 70, 78, 59. I mean, but how likely is that going to happen? It depends how high it goes. If it breaks above 850 to 8100, it's going to come shooting down really, really fast below 8,000, possibly to 7950. Okay, so but I already got my bid order at 7920. As you can see, the hammer is starting to come in. This is a bearish hammer. It looks like it's happening. 1, 2, there it comes. Let's see if there's some support. 7920, 60. I'm hoping I can get my purchase in at 79.20, and I'm going to sit on 79.20. If it's crashing down, like if I see the volume really skyrocketing or diminishing in BTC, the 24-hour volume, the 24-hour volume is right above this area here. You'll see it right. I know it's cut off on my screen, but I look at the 24-hour volume sometimes as well. I kind of glance at it to see how Bitcoin is performing. If I see a lot of money being pulled out on a 24-hour volume, that doesn't necessarily mean the coin won't go up, but it means that people are taking their earnings and going elsewhere with it, whether it be Litecoin. Because as you can see, Litecoin has been performing really, really well. I mean, you can't ask for a coin. See, it bounced off the 25-day, and then it shot up. Bounced off the 25-day, shot up. It may bounce off the 25-day again, and then shoot up again from there. But there's a lot of sales. Come one, you get right around 42, 142, 145. You're gonna see some sell off on that. Ripple, by the way, listen, you and me both. I don't know what's going on with Ripple. It almost seems like it's stagnant. I don't know if they're doing this. If whoever's buying and selling Ripple, I'm not sure if they're doing this on purpose. So I don't know if they're giving up on the coin. But what's going on? But I could tell you this. Ripple is making headways in the news. Ripple is doing a lot of great things behind the scenes. I'm still a believer, I'm still a believer. That's why I got my coin still selling at 0.43. Yeah, and then I'll buy in when it gets lower. I used to just sit on the coin and do nothing, and that's why I had Ripple when it was at $4. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I thought it was gonna shoot to 10. I never sold, and I was one of those guys that didn't sell at the top. It is what it is. What I do know now is I know how to trade now. I learned between that time frame. So I've been sitting on Ripple for over 2 years. Maybe longer than that. Same thing with Digibyte, maybe 3 years. Digibyte I've been sitting on. Electroneum's over 2 years. I've been sitting on that. I've been sitting on a lot of coins for years and years. I'm not talking about months like some people. So please understand that patience is key. But selling at the right time is also key. So now that I got my coins when I need them, I'm going to sell them once I'm going to sell my coins when I need to sell them at the right time. Now I'm not going to hold on to them like I was doing in my past behavior. But BTC USDT, see it's starting to break down a little bit here, which is good. It's a good sign. I know you're probably saying, why would you say it's a good sign for BTC breaks down? Hello, I want to buy mine. I want to buy mine as cheap as I can get it. 79.20 is my target. Okay, 79.20 is where I'm putting my bid. Listen, if it starts to drop too fast, once it hits 8,000, if it starts to drop too fast, from where it's at now to 79.20, cancel your buy order. And you got to be in front of the computer for this to happen, because if it shoots down way too fast, you can get it cheaper. And so when this happens, once I see it down, if it goes 79.60, 79.50, 79.40, 79.30, and it does it like a really, see right now it's happening kind of fast, you know, but if it starts really shooting down that fast, I will cancel my bid order at 79.20, because it may surpass that and hit 7900, which was my original 7901 was my original buy target, which is right around here, 7901. So this is what I'm going to keep an eye on. So I'll be in front of the computer for the next few hours just watching this occur, because I want to make sure that I'm getting it. So if I can make $50, if I can get it $50 cheaper, I'm going to try to get it $50 cheaper. And then I'll shoot up again for 8,000 is my target. I was going 7,999. I might go 7,999 again. I mean, what's the dollar difference? No big deal. And then make, you know, 50 plus dollars, whatever it is I have selling for that particular time. So again, quick video, 6/12/2019. Wait for it to break above 8,000. It'll come shooting down. It is trending upwards, so now your targets can't be down here anymore. You're gonna start having to shoot right around this range here, right in this circle. If I could bring a circle here, I probably won't be. Here we go. If I'm gonna shoot, okay. Let me move it over. Oh gosh. Right around this range is where I want to go, my target. Again, because it's been here, I mean, how many times? But the good thing is it's trending upwards, which is good. So your buy order right around this range, 7,900, 7,800, give or take right now, because we have 7,700. I don't think it's gonna get down here anytime soon. It's now moved up another $100. 79 to 7,800 is my bid order. I am buying a 79.20. I am buying a little early, only because I see these hammers going up. Now it's becoming a bullish hammer, as you can see there on that wick. We'll see what happens. These are hourly candles, ladies and gents. But if you're already sold like I did, if you followed the videos of I did, then you have USD right now. And if you have USD, you want to put your bid order between 7,900, even lower than that. You can go down to 7,800, between 7,800 and 7,920. I'm gonna say 20 because that's what I'm buying. So 7,800 to 7,920. Anywhere within this range is where you're gonna want to put your bid order. Not the very tip top. This is 7,933. You want to go right around almost the top of these candle wicks here. This is the hourly chop, so keep that in mind. Once you see it, it'll probably hit the EMA here, which is the 99-day. It could possibly, or it could hit the 25-day. If it hits the 25-day, then that's right around what I told you, 78, between 78 and 79. And then watch it shoot up. So wait for it to go up. Do not buy now. Wait for it to go up above 8,000, and then wait for the moon down, the shooting star down. I don't want to say shooting star because that's actually a term in trading, but you'll see it drop. Wait for it to drop. And then your bid order will be around 7,900, 7,920. And then we'll see what happens. So this is my predictions for today. Let's make, I don't know, $80 today. How about that? Let's make $80 today. Let's get it at 7,920 and let's sell it at 8,000. That's $80, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you for watching this video. This is just a quick one. I'm not going to go over any other coins as of right now. I like the high volatility of Bitcoin. It goes up and down really, really crazy. Like, I would love to make, see, the thing is, I would love to make $1,000. You know, I would like to double my Bitcoin quickly. The only problem is, you know, that you got to understand, this is not margin trading. This is just regular trading. This is buy low, sell high type thing. You know what I mean? The margin trading, when you start leveraging your own money, but you can lose it all a lot quicker. So this is like a poor man's game is what I'm playing. A guy coming in, taking his one Bitcoin and trying to make it into two. It may take me a month, but now I have 2 Bitcoins. And if